Hello everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Arzopa D10 Wi-Fi digital picture frame in brown. Arzopa sent this product over so I could try it out and test it. As always, everything you'll hear is based on my personal experience and no one tells me what to say. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see how it works. So first, inside the box is the user manual. Everything's neatly packed and protected. Here is the power adapter with its standard plug. And here is the main digital frame, and it's a 10.1 inches HD IPS touchscreen with anti-glare, which means you will get a wide viewing angles so images stay true from almost any direction. It has a 32 gigabytes built-in internal storage and expandable to 128 gigabytes using a micro SD card. At the back of the screen is your removable stand. It also comes with a speaker for your video sounds. You can also mount it using these mounting wall holes, one for vertical and one for horizontal. Here's your power button. Here's your C port for transferring photos directly from PC to your frame. Here's your micro SD card slot. And here's your DC power port. Before we plug it in, let's install the app to our phone. In my case, I'm using my Android phone. You can search Arzopa app from Google Store, select and install it. After installing it, select read and agree to the terms and conditions. Next is to sign up with your email address or Google account. Next, grant permission while using the app. Next, rename your default name to your preference, then tap next. Now let's go ahead and turn on the digital frame. So when you turn it on for the first time, it will ask you which language do you prefer. So after selecting your language, select your Wi-Fi connection and remember that this device will only connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Once you're connected to the Wi-Fi, it will automatically download the latest software and apply it to your device. Once the update is done, it may ask you again to choose your language, Wi-Fi, and agree to the privacy policy and term service. In frame settings, you can rename your digital frame, toggle switch to automatically adjust time, and an option to use a 24-hour format. In the left side is the QR code that you can share to your family members if they want to share their photos to be added in digital frame wirelessly. In order for them to scan the QR code, they need to install the Arzopa app to their phone. At the bottom right corner, there's 4 icons where you can access your settings, Wi-Fi connection, add member icon, and power button. In general settings page, you will see how much storage being used and what's left. You can also delete your files in bulk. You can also import files from your micro SD card. You can transfer files from your PC using USB connection. You can also export files to your micro SD card, play media content from external storage. You can also back up to micro SD card or restore from your backup storage. At the very bottom is your reset option if you want to reset your device to its factory settings. At the bottom corner of the screen is your power button to turn it off, and there's another physical button at the back to turn it back on and off. To upload your first photo, you need to scan the QR code in welcome page. Once you scan the QR code, you have the option to upload your photos, and you will need to give the app an access to your photos, so I selected allow all. And from here, you can tap the plus icon and check all the photos or videos you need to be shown in your digital frame. After selecting your photos, tap next at the bottom, then tap upload. In the next page, select the album where you want it to be added, or you can just tap the next arrow button and it will be added to the default playlist. The next page, you will see the files being uploaded to your frame. After all files gets uploaded, you will hear a sound notification from your digital frame, and that means it was successfully added. And right away, you will see it from your slideshow. To show the frame menu, just tap it once and you will have the option to add members, Wi-Fi settings, and option to fit content in frame. Inside the frame menu, you have the option to toggle the autoplay slideshow and change the brightness of your display. To check your storage capacity, just go to your general settings page and you will see how many storage you have left and how much are being used. To access your active playlist, go to Frame menu, Frame Gallery, and you will see your albums listed in this page. You can also add a playlist by tapping the plus icon at the top right corner, name it, and save it. For the display, even lower resolution phone pictures look surprisingly vibrant. Slideshow transitions are smooth and the touch controls respond well. What I like about it is the straight to the point setup. I like the matte brown finish that makes the frame that blends most home aesthetics. The app is easy to use and this frame has a good video playback and slideshow quality. The brightness is great. Viewing in many directions, image stays clear and colorful because of its IPS panel. One thing that I think needs to be added is the ability to connect your cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, or iCloud. I think that would be great, but that is not really necessary if you want to keep it simple. Just insert your micro SD card and play it directly from your digital frame itself. So yeah, overall it's been super easy to use and works just like it should. If you're looking for a simple, reliable digital frame with a great display, this one's definitely worth checking out. I will leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.